Welcome to How to Add Your Product to Clickbank. In this video, I will take you through the basics of how you can add a new product to your Clickbank account. It is an easy process that can be done without breaking a sweat. Let's get started. Once you've logged into your Clickbank account, click on the Settings tab and then select My Products. This is the page where you will find all your previously uploaded Clickbank products. But because this is a new account, you'll see that I don't have any listed on here yet. Go to this Add New section and click Product. You will then arrive on this page, where you can start creating your product. First, select your product type. You can select each of these and read the description here to find out more about which category your product falls into. Typically, if it's a one-off ebook, you want to select this first option. Now here, under Categories, you want to select the nature of your product, whether it's audio, an ebook, a game, website membership, software, or a video. I'm just going to select ebook for now. For item number, this is generated by Clickbank by default, but if you like, you can customize it, as long as you only use numbers and alphabets. Once you're done with this, move on to the product title. I'm just going to type in Test for now. You can also select the language of your product from this list here. You also have the option to include an image. However, if this is your first time adding a product to Clickbank, you won't be able to do this until your product is approved. For Pitch Page, what it actually is your sales page. So type in your product's sales page URL into this field here, and if you have a separate mobile URL, add that in the field below. Next, we want to fill up our pricing and commission details. Select your currency here, any currency from this list. Then, input the price of purchasing your product here. For commission, this is the cut your affiliates will get for effectively promoting your products. It's now at a default 25%. But you can change this to whatever you like if you feel it's necessary. Now, here is where you insert the link to your thank you page. This is the page your customers will be directed to once they have completed their purchase. Again, you can add in a mobile URL as well if you've configured one. Once all this info has been entered, click on the Save Product button down here. You'll see that the product is already listed here. But this over here says, Approval Request Required. You'll now need to click on this to send in an approval request. On this page, you'll need to fill up additional information to send in an approval request. Just take a look over here and double-check all this information. These hoplink target URLs are the same ones which you would have configured under the My Site tab. Double-check your pitch page and thank you page URLs and make sure you have the right price. In this field here, you want to give Clickbank a brief overview of your product. Let Clickbank know just a little bit more about the product. For now, I'm just going to type in Test. And over here, do specify whether you are the creator of the product. If you are, select Yes. If not, select No, and be sure to fill in the field below stating who you bought the license from. And over here, regarding promotions and guidelines, you want to select Yes. Regarding endorsements or testimonials, if your site has them, they have to be compliant, so click Yes. If your website doesn't have any such endorsements, then you want to click Not Applicable. Did you make a test purchase yet? If you haven't done a test purchase before, do it now, and then select Yes. Then in this field here, add in extra information regarding accessing your site. For example, contribute login details if the Clickbank admin needs a certain login to access your site. And then you can go ahead and submit your product approval request. And you'll see over here that your product approval request has been received, and that Clickbank will take 3 to 5 days to process your request. Now all you have to do is wait. Clickbank will take a few days to approve your request. If it isn't approved, you might have overlooked some Clickbank terms and conditions, in which case a Clickbank representative will get back to you. And that's all there is to it. Once your product has been approved, you can start selling the product with your customized payment link. Thank you for watching.